Welcome back, future orthodontists. Today we dive into developing dentition management, a critical topic for children and adolescents. Here's the mind map: normal eruption, space maintainers, interceptive orthodontics, habits, thumb sucking, mouth breathing, mixed dentition analysis basics. Ready? Let's explore. Section 1. Normal eruption. First, know the normal eruption sequence. Primary teeth start around 6 months. Permanent teeth erupt roughly from age 6 to 12. A proper sequence ensures good alignment and occlusion. MMT, 6-6-12 rule. First permanent molars, age 6. Canines, age 9 to 12. Second molars, age 12. Narrator, remember this rule to anticipate space and alignment issues. Section 2. Space maintainers. Lost primary teeth can cause space loss and crowding. Space maintainers prevent this. Types: band and loop, lingual holding arch, distal shoe. MMT. SLD equals save lost dental space. Narrator, choose the appropriate type based on location and age. Section 3. Interceptive orthodontics. Interceptive orthodontics catches problems early to prevent bigger issues. Examples: crossbites, habit-related malocclusions, ectopic eruptions. MMT. CHE equals crossbite, habit, ectopic eruption. Narrator, early intervention can simplify later treatment and improve stability. Section 4. Habit management. Habits like thumb sucking or mouth breathing can affect jaw and teeth development. Thumb sucking can cause open bite or protrusive maxillary incisors. Intervention: reminder appliances or behavioral therapy. Mouth breathing can cause long face or narrow maxilla. Intervention: ENT evaluation and myofunctional therapy. MMT. TM equals thumb, mouth. Section 5. Mixed dentition analysis basics. In mixed dentition, we assess space for permanent teeth. Steps: measure available space, estimate size of unerupted permanent teeth, decide if expansion or extraction is needed. MMT. A-E-D equals available, estimated, decide. Narrator, this ensures proper alignment and reduces crowding in permanent dentition. End summary. Narrator, let's recap developing dentition management essentials. Normal eruption, 6-6-12. Space maintainers, SLD. Interceptive orthodontics, CHE. Habit management, T-M. Mixed dentition analysis, A-E-D. Quiz time. Question 1. First permanent molars usually erupt at what age? A. 4 years. B. 6 years. C. 8 years. Question 2. Which mnemonic helps remember space maintainer types? A. CHE. B. SLD. C. TM. Question 3. Thumb sucking can lead to what dental issue? A. Deep bite. B. Open bite. C. Crowding. Question 4. Mixed dentition analysis steps are remembered as A-E-D, B. SFA-D, C. CPP. Narrator, excellent. You now understand how to manage developing dentition effectively. Next video, extractions in orthodontics.